everybody, I am RaDona from Boys and Girls Hairstyles. Today I'm going to do a video on my face routine. People have been asking about it, so I decided to jump on and do a video. So the first thing is I always just wash my face with the Be Balanced cleanser, and that's from Monate. Then when I get out, I always use the C Radiance. Put that on, rewind. C Radiance is kind of like vitamin C for your skin. And then the rewind is for wrinkles. What? I need a lot of that. And then I do it's called Eye Smooth, and I just put it right here and up here. So I do that every time. And then the Night Haven, yes, this is for night, but I love it for the day because it makes your skin feel so soft. So I use it for the day. I love the way it makes my skin feel. Okay, so that's how I wash my face every day. Do I wash it at night? Probably not. I really don't. I know that's really bad, and I probably shouldn't tell you guys that, but I don't. So, okay, the first thing that I do for my makeup is I'm a fast makeup gal. It doesn't take me long. I don't do the concealers. I don't do all the extra amazing things. So this will be simple and fast. I use the Mary Kay Time Wise. This is the matte foundation. And my color is the beige 350. It's a natural beige 350. So I don't know, like, you know, what color you guys would need, but I'm just showing you what I do. So this, and some of you like professionals that, you know, I just put a little bit on my, you know, a ton of people use, you know, sponges, and they use all these special things to put on their makeup. So I am showing you RaDona 101. This is what I do every day. It's super simple, easy. I don't take a lot of time on myself. Okay, so I just make sure that it's even down here, up here. Okay, then the next thing is I have the Mary Kay powder. This one is the DB18. So it's the light medium ivory. And what I do is I just take a big powder brush, do that, and then I just hit my face like this. Okay. Then the next thing I do, the last eyeshadows that I have bought, I got some for Christmas, which is awesome. Thank you to Jen, she gave me this. But I do love this one. This is the Ace Beauty. I love these colors. I use these a lot. The other ones I've got at Ross and TJ Maxx. So I love to get, so you can tell I've used a lot of those. If you can see that. Anyway, I've had them for a long, long time. The one that I love, it had a plastic top, so it finally come off. But you can tell I love this one too. See all these that are out? Okay, so I'm gonna show you my brush, so you can see that. I love this pink, so I just take a little bit of the pink. And I mean, it depends, obviously, what I'm wearing, what color I use. So you can see, I just kind of dab it on. Like I said, you guys, and seriously, like the professionals that do professional makeup, they're gonna be like, sorry, I'm just turning in this other mirror just a tiny bit so I can see. They're gonna be like, wow. But I'm just showing you, this is how I do it. A lot of people have asked, so I decided that I would do that. Okay, so I just put it on like this. And then what I do is I wipe my brush off. And if you have another brush, that's great. You can do the other brush. And then I come into this light color, which I'm almost out, so I go into the corner to get that. And then I come up with a light color, and then I just kind of go back and forth. Like this, just to blend in that line, so it's not a huge line where the pink is. So you can see I just kind of rub it back and forth. So I need to go shopping for some eyeshadow because I'm almost out of the light. Okay, all right, so see, I just do that and then I just come like this to make sure it's not there. And then I always just have it, I just go like this, just in case any of the eyeshadow has fallen or anything like that. Okay, and then I have my little brush and I just do my CoverGirl. This is called, which one is this one? This was the Rose Silk. And I use this all the time. I should change colors. I don't. So I just go back and forth like this. I just come on my cheekbone. Wait, is there cheekbones? There's definitely some cheeks there. I don't know if they're bones, but okay. So, and then I just do that just for a little bit of, you know, try to get me some cheekbones going on there. Okay. All right. And then I love this. This is Urban Decay. This is where I get from Sephora, and it's 24/7 water liner. So I do love this. So I know it looks like I'm looking the opposite way, but I have to look in to my mirror. Okay, then I just kind of bring it up on that side. Whoa, I'm gonna have to turn this way and look in this mirror. I'm so sorry. Maybe I'll come this way so you can see. So I just put it there, kind of go up to the eye in the corner. Okay. Okay, easy enough. I just throw a little bit of that on. Okay, and then last, this is the Mary Kay mascara, which I love because, and they say twist it, don't go up and down. Twist it, bring it out. There's obviously the normal brush, and then you can hold this part and twist, and it brings a little brush. See, I'm used to doing that. You're supposed to twist it. And there's a little brush for this area. So I start with the big. Maybe I'll just come a little bit closer. Ooh, maybe not. Okay, maybe I'll come right here. Okay, and I'm just looking in this mirror. Just come here. I start out with the bigger end. And then I always come back with a little end. So if there's a certain way to do makeup, I don't know, this is just my routine. So anyway, that's what I'm showing you guys. Okay, I'm gonna turn this way. So see, now I just come with a little one, and then that way I can kind of come underneath them and pull out a little bit. And then go on top of them and push them out a little bit. Because let's be real, I don't have a ton of long lashes on the bottom. But enough to have, so I'm grateful. To put a little bit on. Okay, hopefully you guys can see that. See, and then I always say, okay, good enough. Then I'm off to the next thing. Going and doing. Okay, I do have a lot of people ask about my lipstick. I like bright lipstick. My pink is my very favorite. This is from Unique, it's Flaunty, it's called Flaunty. This one's my bright pink one. I do love it. It can get on things, my straw, or if I wipe my hand or something, it will get on that. But I'm gonna show you my other lipstick that doesn't get on anything. So I'm just using, I just kind of come up on my lips. Okay, and I just rub it in a little bit. Anyway, but I do love bright pink lipstick. Okay, and then I want to show you these. So that last lipstick was from Unique, okay? Oh, now I can push my hair down a little bit. out of the way. Or now it's done. Okay, you guys, this Super Stay, it's a matte stick, if you can see that. It's a matte, it's matte ink. And I have a whole bunch of colors. These are just at Walmart and they are amazing. So I do have to use my good makeup remover from Monat to get it off my lips, because seriously, the next day it will like be on your lips. So anyway, I do have to use makeup remover. So FYI, these will stay on. It does not come off as this will. So anyway, I just wanted you to know that. But yes, it's called Super Stay and it's matte ink. That's these. And then the other one was from Unique. So anyway, that is my little makeup routine. It's fast, it's not professional, but thank you for asking for me to do this video. It's been fun. So anyway, that's how I do my makeup, and I hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully you have a phenomenal day. I really appreciate your support, and it's fun getting to know all of you. So hope to chat later, and have a good one. See ya.